Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander and let me show you how to make voice commands faster. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select the settings button located right here at the upper right corner. Then, as you can see, you can choose here the sound and tones located at the upper right corner again. From the following list, choose here the last option, which is system voice, as you can see here. So here you've got two voice prompts settings. One of them is initial voice prompt, toggles the introductory greeting message when you trigger voice controls. Then you've got short voice prompts, as you can see right here. Let me turn it on. So it commands the system to stop giving long wordy explanation or instructions, replacing them quickly. Simple chimes, so you can issue commands much faster. So I like to have enabled all of them. Let me use initial voice prompts and short voice prompts. It's the best settings for the voice control. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.